Lesson number 7, recycling. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explore whether recycling reduces the demand for resources and explore whether recycling reduces the problem of waste disposal. The next time you wear a fleece, remember that it takes just 25 2-litre plastic drinks bottles to make one fleece garment. Plastics make up about 7% of our household waste. This is nearly 3 million tonnes every year in the UK. A lot of this is plastic bottles, and most end up in landfill. Here, they take up space and do not biodegrade. Recycling has many benefits. If all the glass, metals, plastic, and paper in our dustbins were recycled, that would be nearly half the contents of the average bin. This could reduce the problem of waste disposal and landfill sites that are getting full. Recycling also uses less energy and produces less damaging carbon dioxide than manufacturing new materials. For example, recycling steel uses 75% less energy and produces only 15% of the carbon dioxide produced when steel is made from iron ore. Most people agree that recycling is beneficial to the environment, but not all the materials that the UK could recycle are being recycled. Part of the reason is that many more facilities are needed to deal with the amount of waste we produce. The UK is particularly poor at recycling compared with other EU countries. Not everything can be recycled, and some materials are more difficult to recycle than others. Plastics have to be sorted by hand, and many types are not suitable for reuse. Paper can only be recycled about 5 times before the fibers become too short and weak. Refrigerators are a particular problem because of the harmful gases they contain. Although recycling uses less energy and resources, it is still an industrial process. Some materials need a lot of cleaning and reprocessing. Where materials are difficult to recycle, it can be easier and cheaper to make new products. Even when it is possible to recycle waste, many of us do not because of the effort involved if facilities are not convenient. In addition, some people do not like the idea of recycled products, as they worry they might be contaminated or do not look as good as new. This means that there is always a demand for new products. Tougher laws may be needed to improve recycling in the UK and help us catch up with our European neighbours.